Okay, so now we're working on activity 2. And activity 2 focus on adding switches. So the first thing we're going to do is change the name of our document to adding switches. Okay. Now a switch function as a device that open and close a circuit. When the circuit is open, the electricity cannot flow. And when the circuit is closed, electricity can flow. It's kind of like turning on and off the light switch. You turn on the light switch, it's closed, the lights come on. You turn off the light switch, you open up the circuit, and the electricity can't flow. So therefore, the lights are off. On this one, we're focused on task 1, and task 1 is having us build a circuit using a slide switch, a coin cell battery, and an LED. So we're going to go to our right panel and find our coin cell battery, our slide switch, and an LED. Okay. Zoom in a little bit, get a better look at it. Now, when we're connecting our slide switch to our battery, we're going to first connect the common. There are 3 pins on the slide switch. You have terminal 1, you have the common, and you have terminal 2. In this case, we're going to connect the common first, and it doesn't matter which terminal on the battery you connect it to, whether it be positive or negative. We just have to make sure that our LED light responds to the opposite, okay? So in this particular build, we're going to use the negative battery terminal, and we're going to connect it to the common on the slide switch. And because we connected the negative terminal, that means that the positive terminal has to be connected to the LED, and then the LED in turn has to be connected to the slide switch. In this particular case, because we're using a positive, we know that the positive connects to the anode. And because the positive connects to the anode, that means that the cathode connects to terminal 1 or terminal 2. It doesn't matter which terminal you connect the cathode to, but the goal is to have the switch in the off position when you click Start Simulation. If you connect the cathode to the anode, when you click Start Simulation, the slide switch will already be in on position. But if you connect the cathode to terminal 2, the slide switch is in the off position, meaning that once you click Start Simulation, the light will not come on until you flip the switch, okay? So let's go ahead and connect the cathode to terminal 2. Now that the circuit is complete, we're going to click Start Simulation. And when you click Start Simulation, the light is not on. That means that you will have to go to the switch and flip the switch, and now your LED light is shining. You still got an error message stating that you're at 61.9 milliamps when the recommended is 20. In this particular case, you could add a resistor, or you can use a smaller voltage battery, or you can add another LED to the circuit, and that will reduce the amount of current going to one LED because it would evenly distribute the power. Okay, so that's it for task 1.